Hi, in this video I'm going to do a quick review on these wireless Bluetooth shutter remotes. In this kit you get 2 of them. I like that they're a nice compact size, easy to keep in your pocket. On the back is your battery compartment. And then you got your 2 buttons. On the side here you'll just turn this switch to turn it on. And then you'll get your blue blinking light, which shows that it's trying to pair to your phone. And once it stops blinking, it's now paired and active. So I have my iPhone set on photo mode. So we'll just press that one time and it takes a photo. Pretty cool. So if you had an Android phone, you could do the same thing. So we'll switch it over to video and start shooting the video. So that's pretty cool. Then press it again and stops. Now these have a range of about 30 feet. So you could have your camera on one side of the room and you could be on the other side of the room, be in frame or however you want it to be set up, and just press your button to get things going. So overall, pretty neat little gadget to have.